Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to sequence search in Samsung. So if you want to use sequence search in your Samsung Galaxy phone such that you can just circle anything on your Samsung phone or just tap on any image on your Samsung phone, whether on home screen, web page, or any social media to find related information about this particular image or text, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before you can do sequence search in any Samsung Galaxy phone that supports sequence search, you need to enable sequence search on your device. So first, you need to go to your Samsung phone settings, and on the settings page, you just need to scroll down and then go ahead and click on display. Now, once you tap display, scroll down. You need to scroll down the page until you get to navigation bar. Here you see you can manage home button and recent buttons, or use gesture for more screen space. Then go ahead and click on navigation bar. Under navigation bar, there is a feature called security search. If the security search button is not enabled on your Samsung phone, then you need to turn this on, and it doesn't matter whether you're using the buttons as your navigation bar or you are using swipe gesture. So whether you use button or swipe gesture, you can always use security search. So just go ahead and turn on security search, and then once that is enabled, if you go ahead and press the home button on your buttons, then you should see security search pop. Also, if you are using gestures, then go ahead and press the swipe button and hold it. Then you're going to see security search enable. However, once you enable security search, now you can easily use sequence search to search for any information you want on internet. Then to use sequence search in your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is press the notification button and hold it for a couple of seconds, like 1 or 2. Then once you have the pop covering it and you see Google here, then you have this Google button, mic, then this Google image lens, and then this full screen translator, then you are good to go. If you click on this 3 dots at the top right, you see history, delete last 15 minutes, or send feedback. Now, to use sequence search in your Samsung phone, once you enable sequence search, by just pressing the home button or navigation button like this, just go ahead and tap on anything you want to search using the sequence search. You see that? Then this is going to pop the Google search engine. Then again, I just click on something else. Or better still, if you don't want to click, you can just go ahead, circle anything like this, and then search for it. So you can do this on any web page, whether on social media or on a browser. So if you are browsing the internet and you get something you don't understand about, all you just need to do is turn on sequence search like this. Then go ahead and circle whatever you want to circle here to search for it using the internet. So while cycling, you should feel the haptics on your Samsung phone, and then this is going to pop the Google search engine on your phone, and it's going to show you best results relating to whatever you are searching for on the internet using the sequence search. So that is basically how to use sequence search in Samsung. So if you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.